Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change themes on your Shopify store. To do that, you have to go to your Shopify dashboard first. Like you have to log into your Shopify store and then move to the dashboard option, okay? So from there you can see this option called online store. Here after the text called sales channels, you can see this option online store. You have to tap onto online store. From there you can see this option. After tapping to online store, you can see this option themes. You have to tap onto themes, and after clicking onto themes you can see this the theme I am right now using called current theme. I am using it. So if you want to change this theme, I have to scroll down to the bottom, like scroll down and you'll find plenty of themes, okay? For example, like for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna add this theme. To do that, I have to tap onto add, okay? Just tap onto add and that's it. It will be start adding to your Shopify store, and then you have to tap onto publish, okay? If you don't click on the publish option, it will not be added to your theme of Shopify store. The previous one will be kept and will be shown on the store, okay? Tap onto the publish and that's it. Your theme is now changed and the new theme is now published on Shopify store. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.